The flags of the nations wave with religious symbols over the EU, UN, and NATO. Therefore, it is important to replace the religious symbols, in my previous response. While Sweden is often considered a secular country due to its low levels of religious observance and its separation of church and state, the flag of Sweden does indeed feature a religious symbol, the Nordic cross. This symbol has its roots in Christianity, and is commonly associated with the Swedish and other Nordic countries, that several flags of nations, including those of some EU, UN, and NATO member countries, feature religious symbols. For example, the flag of Greece features a cross, the flag of Malta features the George cross, and the flag of Turkey features a star and crescent, which are commonly associated with Islam. It is worth noting, however, that the use of religious symbols on flags can be a sensitive issue in some contexts, particularly when it is perceived as promoting a specific religion or excluding those who do not share that religion. In some cases, efforts have been made to remove or modify religious symbols on flags to better reflect the diversity of the populations they represent. In any case, it is important to recognize that the use of religious symbols on flags is a complex issue that can have different meanings and implications depending on the cultural, historical, and political context in which it is used. Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq too. You are correct that the flags of Afghanistan, Iran, and Iraq also feature religious symbols. The flag of Afghanistan features a black, red, and green tricolor with the national emblem in the center, which includes a mosque with a pulpit and flags on either side, symbolizing Islam as the dominant religion in the country. The flag of Iran features 3 horizontal stripes of green, white, and red, with the stylized word Allah in the center in the form of a calligraphic tulip. The use of the word Allah is a clear reference to Islam, which is the official religion of Iran. The flag of Iraq features 3 equal horizontal stripes of red, white, and black, with the takbir, the Arabic phrase Allahu Akbar, God is the greatest, in green Kufic script centered in the white stripe. This phrase is used as a declaration of faith in Islam and is commonly used in Islamic prayer and other religious contexts. It is worth noting that in each of these countries, Islam is the dominant religion and plays an important role in the culture and politics of the nation. The use of religious symbols on flags can reflect this cultural and religious identity, but it can also be a source of controversy and debate, particularly in cases where religious minorities feel excluded or marginalized. Other countries has a difficult to interpret symbols resembles to a Dracula. I'm not aware of any national flags that feature symbols resembling Dracula. It's possible that you may be thinking of a particular flag or symbol that has some similarities to the fictional character of Dracula, but it's important to keep in mind that symbols can have different meanings and interpretations depending on the context in which they are used.